Greeting. Welcome to Jofia FS. This is UBA Stocks. I'm going to analyze these UBOs and I will explain it in detail for investors, especially Nigeria investors. So before that, let me say this to you. This year's 2025 is actually a year of discount, a year that most stocks are dropping down for a good discount, and UBA is one of them. As you can see, last time I made a video regarding this UBA, then UBA was around this place. UBA was around 30, yeah, UBA was around 36 when I made the video that UBA will be dropping down, and is actually dropping down. So as an investors, I think you need to hold on for now, because we invest to make money. Don't be in haste, because UBA is still dropping, and I'm going to explain it to you and analyze this to you. As you can see, UBA have already break a structure here. It have changed a character at this around this place. It have shifted from bullish to bearish. Can you see? It has shifted from bullish to bearish. I will explain this to you. From this place, UBA was making higher low, higher low, higher low all the way. Let me show you. You see, from this place, as UBA break out of this place, make higher low, then higher low, then higher low. You see, at this point now, this height could not reach this previous height. This height become lower than the previous height. Can you see? It begin to shift from up to down. Here it break out a little bit, then drop down again. This height is lower than the previous height until it break out of the zone. It break out of the zone. This zone that it break out, it retested this ROTL. This ROTL is part of my strategies. All of these abbreviations, they have meaning, and they have their effect in it. Like this ROTL is, I call it a validator. It's there to validate a breakout. It's there to validate a breakout. Until the market touch it, the breakout is not validated, because we have so many breakouts in the market. So once market touch my ROTL, that means the breakout has been fully validated. The breakout has been confirmed. Can you see? Market break. Let me just show you. Market broke it and touched my ROTL and began to retrace back immediately. Can you see? Immediately the market touched it, it began to reverse back. Where this market is going back to this HOTH to give us a double bottom to create another height. Just like creating a lower high from there, then come back here and create another lower high, which is the sign of downtrend, or which is the interpretations of downtrend. So that is what this UBA is doing. So this ROTL is the validator that validate a breakout from HOTH. So that shows that UBA have shifted from up to down at the moment. That downward is just a retracement, is a discount, is giving investors a discount so that they can get a good return. So if I were you, I would still be patient with UBA, because UBA is still dropping. Assuming UBA drop down to this point now, because that is where it's actually coming to. You wait until UBA drop to this point. UBA drop from here down to this point. Can you see? Like this 27.55 is a guarantee that UBA is coming there. Is a guarantee. So don't even complicate anything within yourself. Is a guarantee according to my technical analysis. As far as this HOTH is broken and this ROTL have been tested and reversed back to HOTH, just have it at the back of your mind that UBA is dropping to this 27.55 naira. UBA is coming there. and there is also a high probability for it to also come to 22.80 naira. Can you see? Assuming you wait until this UBA drop down to this 22.80 naira now, and you buy like 10,000 units. We said each unit is 22.80 naira. Calculate it, you buy like 10,000 units. That 10,000 units is just like 170 something. You invest 170 something thousand there, and the market moves down to this very point. Let's say that even though you cannot predict beyond this height, at least you know where the market came from. You just wait until this market reach where it came from. You take your profit around 39 naira. 39 naira, you multiply 39 naira times that 10,000 unit and subtract your initial capital which you invested. You'll be making a lot of money, depend how much you invested. So can you see, even though you can't analyze or predict beyond that place, at least where it came from, you will hold your investment until you reach that place. See, this is example of what I'm talking about. Like, for example, UBA drop from this place, make a retracement from this place like this some form of consolidation here, drop down to this place. Can you see? At least if as an investor now you invested from this very point, now you hold on your market till where it came from, though it break it above, but you hold on to where it came from. That's what I'm talking about. You hold on to where it came from. You would have make a lot of profit here. So I'm just like telling you that this year there are so many stocks that are doing a retracement of discount. So even though if you give it a trend line, you see that UBA have already shifted from bullish to bearish. This technical analysis is strictly for investors. Those who are hurried to invest. So I don't want you to lose your money. Keep your money. Keep patience. See, one thing about trading or investment is all about patience. It is better to be patient and catch a good or have a good return than to invest in haste and lose your money. So that is how it is. So this is what UBA is actually going to do. This is what UBA is actually going to do, because everything's have been confirmed here. You see, UBA is shifting downward. UBA is actually shifting. So from here, probably it might begin to go up. So at least if you want to invest, you should wait between this HOTM and then HOTL. These two areas, you should be patient until market touch that place, like 22.55 naira and then 27.55 naira and then 22.80 naira. That two areas is very important, and UBA is coming toward that direction. So UBA is still pulling down. For investors on UBA, you still have to hold on. I've been watching these stocks for a month now, and I'll hold on patiently for this UBA because I see that is actually a good stocks to invest on. Is the banks. So that is that. Once market drop and you enter from a good point, you will have a good return. And my advice for a newly trader that actually have a little knowledge about technical analysis is even better to stick with an investment than trading. Investment is just like building a gradual process wealth, but trading is an instantaneous making wealth. And you can easily lose your money in trading than losing your money in investment. For example, now let's assume that you enter this market from this very point, from this ROTL. Now you enter this market from this place, and the market eventually pull you down. As an investor now, you enter from here and the market pull you down here. You might not lose your money, just that the values of your money will be reduced. But if you enter this market from here as a forex trader and the market pull you down here, you might probably lose your money, because If you enter from here, you might probably say you want to set your stop loss. You want to set your stop loss below somewhere around this place. And once the market hit it, bring it down here. That means you have lose that money that you invested based on your stop loss. But as an investor, once you invest from here and the market pull down to this place, you might not lose your money, but the values of your money will be reduced. Your money will be reduced because investors make little profit per time. They make little profit and gradual profit. It's just a wet growing. Why traders can make instantaneous profit and huge profit per time, but you can easily lose your money. So you that is trying to grow capitals or trying to grow wealth, I think investment is a good idea. Honestly speaking. So that is that. So if you like this video, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share to other. I am Ochofia FS. See you on top.